Okay, so even though we're sure that we're too smart to be scammed, dot, dot, dot. Anyhow, so not actually one of my normal tapping videos. This is just a public service announcement. I feel it's my duty to let you know about a scam that I have unfortunately become aware of the hard way. Um, Someone reached out to me, supposedly from a very big name podcast, one that I've been aware of and one that I've thought, hey, it would be awesome to be on this podcast. And here they reached out to me, and I was so excited. And they said, so here's what you need to do. And there's an exchange of emails, setting up times and dates, and here's what they're going to need from me. And it was pretty elaborate in terms of here are the topics that we know you like to talk about, and please pick one that you think would be suitable and followed up, yes, that's a great choice, and all this. So it's very elaborate, very personalized. And they said, we just need to go over some technical things before the interview to make sure it all goes smoothly. So I get on a Zoom call with the guest coordinator, who then took me into my Facebook page and showed me, okay, well, in order to do this event, you need to do this setting and this setting. Some of you are going to go, really, Brad, you fell for that? Yes, yes, I did. I was so excited about this opportunity that I did miss some red flags. Uh, didn't notice them at the time. So this person took me through these steps. I didn't give them any information that I was aware of. Didn't give any passwords. Used my own email address as they tried to set up this event management thing inside of Facebook. So if someone tells you that they want to interview you and tells you that they need to set up this event thing in your Facebook page, run, don't walk. Next thing I know, I am locked out of my Facebook page. Fortunately, I sent a report, and Facebook, thank you, was very quick to respond and got it resolved. And some other unfortunate scammer picked the same mark the same week. So another big name podcast had reached out to me, and it seemed very similar. Different emails. It was not exactly the same, but there were a number of things that looked very familiar. Uh, so I agreed to get on this Zoom call with this person as well, just in case it was actually this podcast that wanted to have me on, because why wouldn't they, you know? And so we're on the Zoom call, and I was playing dumb as they're trying to walk me through all of the things. Okay, you need to go on your Facebook. You need to do this. You need this. It's like, huh, okay, hold on. I'm having a hard time finding that, and just led them on for a while, and then said, "Okay, I just got notification. I've kept you on the line long enough. We have you tracked, and thank you very much." And the guy goes, "What?" And I said, "I already know this scam." Suddenly, I see a window saying, "Host has ended this meeting." It was petty, but what the heck? It was fun. Anyhow, be careful out there. A lot of people, if you're in that business of scamming people, get a life. You have gifts and talents to share. You don't need to resort to this. Do better. Be better. And for the rest of us, there are people out there with issues, and we have to be aware of that. And of course, tapping helps. Thanks. I hope this is helpful for you.